Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we'll start with our lesson, which is 3b. And in this lesson we will learn the do's and don'ts. What does it mean, do's and don'ts? ما يجب عليك أن تفعله وما لا يجب أن تفعله. For example, what are the do's and don'ts of driving? When you drive your car, what are the do's, the things you should do, and then don'ts, the things you should not do? The do's are: always use your seat belt, follow traffic rules. Always use your seat belt. استخدم حزام الأمام دائما. Follow traffic rules. اتبع تعليمات المرور. فهذه الأشياء التي يجب عليك أن تفعلها أثناء القيادة. What are the don'ts? The don'ts: never use your mobile phone. Don't cross traffic lights اللي هي إشارة المرور. لا تقطع إشارة المرور. So these are the don'ts. If you notice, with the don'ts we use negative at the beginning. فنستخدم النفي في بداية الجملة. Never, don't. And if you look at the discussion questions, you have the first question, which is: do you like exploring new places? What does the word explore mean? Explore يستكشف. Exploring يستكشف. So if you like it, if you say yes, I like exploring new places, how does it make you feel? What are the feelings it gives you? إيش المشاعر اللي تبث فيك؟ If no, what are the feelings that it makes you feel or have? فأبغاك تفكر في المشاعر هذه اللي تبثها فيك. If yes, why? If no, why? What are the feelings you will have of exploring new places? So again, do you like exploring new places? If yes, why? If no, why? Then look at these 5 titles. We have: read the text quickly and match the questions A to E with paragraphs 1 to 5. We have this question A, question B, question C, D, and E. Question A: do you need special training? B: how did it all start? C: apart from strong boots and helmets, what safety equipment do you need? What does the word safety equipment mean? معدات السلامة. معدات السلامة. Why is caving so popular? And question E: what's the most important thing to remember when caving? To remember when caving. If you look at the text, you have 5 paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 paragraphs and 5 questions. So the question will be here, and this is the answer for the question. The second question, the third question, fourth, and fifth. Now I want you to stop the recording, or to stop the video, and guess what is question 1. So read the paragraph, read it, all of it, and guess which question should be here. Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Which one is it here? Excellent, it is B. So question B should be here. How did it all start? كيف بدأت? How did caving start? Okay, so this is for B. If you look at this paragraph, we have some vocabulary, which is: one is century. What does it mean, century? 100 years. اللي هو 100 عام، قرن من الزمان. If you look at the word study, as you know, دراسة. So they started caving for studying caves, to study caves. Then you will have the word deep, عميق. Okay, and you have the word vertical. What does it mean, vertical? Yes, it is عمودي. Now read paragraph 2 and guess which question should be there. Is it A, C, D, or E? Stop the recording and try to guess. Excellent. The answer is D. The question is, why is caving so popular? Why do people like caving? They like it because they can discover. What does it mean, the word discover? يكتشف. New places. Sometimes you have to walk through waist high water. What does mean waist high water? ماء إلى منتصف الجسد. Okay. If you look at paragraph 3, what do you think the question should be here? Read the paragraph and try to guess which question. Is it A, C, or E? Excellent. It's A. Do you need special training? Yes, they need special training, special programs. There are special programs, برامج خاصة for beginners. Okay. What does it mean, the word skills? Skills means مهارات. And what does physically fit means? What does the word physically fit mean, or the phrase physically fit mean? لائق جسديا. Also, you should be what? More than 16 or more. Now look at paragraph 4. What is the question there? Read it and try to guess the question. Excellent. It's E. What's the most important thing to remember? So what is the most important thing to remember? Yes, never explore caves alone. Always in groups. What does the word accidents mean? حوادث. What does the word rescue mean? ينقذ. Now read paragraph 5 and try to guess which question. I guess it's obvious, it's clear. It is question C. Apart from strong boots and helmets, what safety equipment do you need? What is the meaning of safety equipment? اليوم معدات السلامة. Now look at true and false. Try to guess which ones are true and which ones are false. Please try to do it by yourself and we will look at the answers tomorrow, if they are true or false. Now let's look at these vocabulary. We have 6 words or 6 new words which are vertical, and we said it is عمودي. Then we have thrill, which is حماس أو إثارة. Then formations, تشكيلات. Then we have beginners, مبتدئين. Then we have the minimum, الحد الأدنى. And finally we have waterproof, which is ضد الماء. Match the words with their meanings. So vertical, which one? Is it A, B, C, D, E, or F? Think about it, then I will give you the answers. Excellent. One is C. And two is A. And three is B. Four is E. Five is F. And finally 6 is D. Excellent. I hope you did it all correct. Now look at this question. Would you like to start cave exploration after you read this passage or this interview? Would you like to go and explore caves? هل ترى في الذهاب واستكشاف الكهوف؟ If yes, why? If no, why not? Think about it and we will discuss it tomorrow, inshallah.